Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the new Aohi MagCube power delivery with 100 watts. This is a 2-watt wall charger. It comes with this very nice USB-C cable as well. As you can see, it has a nice metallic end, and it's like that on this end as well. There's also a Velcro catch right here to keep everything together, and it's braided, so that should last a long time. Here is the charger itself. You have 2 ports. Each port does 100 watts, but it also only exports or produces 100 watt of power. So you won't get 100 watts from each at the same time, just 100 watts total. And then you have the flip out wall prong right there. Makes it very easy to store for travel. And this is quite a bit smaller than the 100 watt chargers. This uses GaN plus technology, and that's why they can make this smaller. So there's the charger. Have some details here on the back about the charger. You can pause that anytime and take a look. The details also will be in the description below the video as well. We like this for the MacBook Pro, the iPad Pro, all of your iPhones. This will max out the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max special charging. So the fast charging all the way up to 27 watts, and then 100 for the MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 as well. You can get this now from Aohi. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.